In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can activate TravelWifi eSIM. So first of all, you need to make sure to visit their website and make sure to purchase their eSIM plan. Once you purchase their eSIM plan, you will going to receive a QR code onto your email address or in the app wherever you purchase your eSIM. Once you have received the QR code, you just need to head over to your mobile and then simply click on Setup Mobile, and you need to make sure to scan the QR code that you have received from the travel Wi-Fi. So simply click on this use QR code, and now you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from the travel Wi-Fi as I said earlier, or you can also do it manually. Now once you scan the QR code, you just need to click on this continue on the bottom and wait for few seconds in order to activate your eSIM. Once you have activated your eSIM, you need to now simply click on this secondary and choose any one of these labels, or you can also add your own custom label if you want to. Otherwise, tap on continue again on the bottom. Now for the default line, make sure to choose primary. For the iMessages and FaceTime, make sure to choose primary again and tap on continue. As for the cellular data, make sure to tap on the secondary and make sure allow cellular data switching is toggle off, and then tap done on the bottom. Now your eSIM will going to be added in the same section, which you can also see in the list. So you can simply click on it and make sure that your data roaming is toggle on. Once you are done, this is how you can activate your travel Wi-Fi eSIM.